Hey, Will Snipselli here. It is Thursday, November 17th, AM session, and we just had a break in market structure. We're trading down into this fair value gap. So I have my buy side liquidity at 39.32. So I'm just kind of seeing what the reaction is right here, and just to see if this is, so I'm seeing if it's, how many times it's going to come back down into here. So once I saw that candle trigger and go down in there, I went ahead and so we were tagged in and then tagged out real quick. So that was a quick 2-minute trade, and just I'm kind of marking up this chart here so that you guys can see, and then I'll have this chart markup in our in the actual thumbnail. But I'm going to do a kind of like a daily review after the day's finished. All right, so attempt number 2, trying to record this. The first time I didn't have my my mic on when I recorded it, so it was just visual. But anyway, so here is the day today. We opened up, went up, and then traded down. Basically the power of 3 that ICT teaches. So these red lines right here, this is our daily fair value gap. So all this space is a target. So let's go to the 4-hour. Oh, real quick. So right here, the 1, 2, 3, 4 down candles in a row. I have this this area marked because we have a reaction there. So I want to kind of point that out. So if we go down to the 4-hour, you can see here we have a 4-hour fair value gap here and a 4-hour fair value gap here. And then you can see here's our red line where we had the reaction later today. So let's go down into the 15-minute, our bellwether chart. And so you can see here's opening, Asian range, went down, London came up, and then it just puked. So it took out sell side here, here, and here. And then it basically, when I came to look at the chart, we had already filled in this 4-hour fair value gap here. So then I marked out this one here, and then I didn't have this reaction line here noted, but so I had this 4-hour fair value gap here, and let's go down into the 5-minute. So just from a 5-minute, you see here we come down. So this is the end of the London session. So comes down, takes out all of that. So basically, once we're in this red line, we're trading into that daily fair value gap. All right, so we come down, and let's go to where the 8:30 New York Open is. So we run up, fill in this fair value gap, and then reverse. We take out this sell side, then we create a sell side here, and then another sell side here. So there's a reaction right here, and let's go down into the 1-minute. So on the 1-minute chart, this is what I was looking at. So it took this right here, took this sell side here, which is more like that. Came down, took out this swing low, took out this swing low, and right here. So it came up, it didn't take out this buy side right here. But this is a shift in market structure. Once we kind of came up, came down, took out the low one more time. So we took out the sell side again, right at the 9:30, right before the 9:30 opening. So then once we went up and we broke this is what I was saying as our break in market structure right here. So we came up, displacement, 1-minute fair value gap, came up, came back down into it, and I got in right on when it traded into this again. And then I just did my 5.25 points. Having a target of this buy side up here, which it eventually does come to it comes back down and runs another, but I'm not seeing another fair value gap to get into on this. So this would have been, this is the trade that I did. And then if we go back to the 15-minute, so I didn't take any other trades the rest of the day. Oops. So once I did that, I took out buy side, came back down, and then over lunch it just ripped and took out buy side here, and then it fell short, which I don't know if this is a bullish order block here, but it fell short right here, the last two up, this last up candle before a big down move. And then I found it interesting that if we do a fib from that low to that high, it came down, hit that 70.5, the optimal trade entry right here, and then reversed up. I didn't catch any of that, but just kind of looking at it, looks like this 1-2 down candle on the 15 could also be a bullish order block, but I'm still trying to figure out that stuff and when it's useful, when it's not. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to do this kind of like end of the day market review. But yeah, if you guys like this, give me a thumbs up and a comment, and I'll see if I can continue to do this. Thanks for watching. All right, so here we are, account review 162.75. Just took one trade today. And I don't know what I do all time here. Just took one trade today, just a E-mini, and basically didn't take any other trades after that. So I just got the one trade and stopped. But yeah, thanks for watching.